Today I will show you how to safely remove glass. I removed the protective glass from the iPhone 12 Pro. The tempered glass, as you can see, is cracked. You must be careful not to get pieces of glass into your eye. Put on glasses or stick adhesive tape on the tempered glass. Heat the protective glass to make it easier to peel off. Use a thin material to pry off the protective glass. Then use something plastic. Watch out for glass fragments. Glass removed. If necessary, remove any glue residue from the phone. Yes, I know, it's simple, but maybe my tips will be useful for someone. Thank you for watching and see you again, I hope. Ciao.